Welcome back to WonderWhizz Studio. Are you ready for the grand finale of our fruity adventure? So far, we've explored 30 amazing fruits, from juicy mangoes to tangy pineapples. And now, get ready for the final 20 fantastic fruits. Some are sweet, some are exotic, and all of them are delicious. Section 7, Melons and Large Fruits. Now let's see some big and juicy fruits. 31, watermelon. Watermelon. 32, cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. 33, honeydew. Honeydew. 34, jackfruit. Jackfruit. 35, durian. Durian. Section 8, more fruits you'll love. Let's finish with some more delicious fruits. 36, avocado. Avocado. 37, blackberry. Blackberry. 38, cranberry. Cranberry. 39, apricot. Apricot. 40, peach. Peach. Final section, the last 10 fruits. Here are our final 10 fruits. 41, plum. Plum. 42, nectarine. 42, nectarine. 43, elderberry. Elderberry. 44, olive. Olive. 45, tamarind. Tamarind. 46, loquat. Loquat. 47, custard apple. Custard apple. 48, mangosteen. Mangosteen. 49, sapodilla. Sapodilla. 50, bael fruit. Bael fruit. Wow, we've explored 50 amazing fruits. From juicy watermelons to the exotic mangosteen, you are now a true fruit expert. Which fruit was your favorite? Was it the creamy avocado, the tangy cranberry, or maybe the spiky jackfruit? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WonderWhizz Studio for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.